In this video, we will tell you examples of affiliate programs in detail. To help your online business develop your own affiliate marketing program, we've compiled 8 of the best examples of affiliate programs for both B2C and B2B businesses. Amazon. Amazon affiliate marketing is one of the largest and most well-known use cases of affiliate marketing, although they have gone through many changes. Their affiliate program is currently known as the Amazon Associate Program. This affiliate marketing example highlights an established name that is trustworthy in the affiliate space, simplifies the conversion process for affiliates. Amazon's product diversity makes it easy for each affiliate to choose from different products that fit their niche. For large sites, individual bloggers, and representatives of social networks, various tools for creating affiliate links are available. Commission up to 10%, but the amount of commission depends on the category. If someone clicks on an affiliate link and adds the promoted product to their cart, then the affiliate receives a commission from the entire shopping cart. Skillshare. Skillshare offers online courses on a variety of topics including photography, fine arts, and business management. Skillshare affiliate marketing has gained notoriety because many people on social media are using it to promote the brand on their channels. Features of affiliate marketing company. Partners earn commission for both free trial and paid subscriptions. Partners can access the entire Skillshare catalog and promote the courses they think will be of most interest to their audience. Affiliate links have a 30-day cookie life, allowing affiliates to earn commission on purchases within 30 days of clicking on their affiliate link. Airbnb. The rental brand uses a two-way affiliate program to grow their business on both sides, hosting and rental as a guest. Airbnb affiliate marketing is known, but most of the program's key features, including commissions, are kept in secret and known only to affiliates. What are the features of affiliate marketing? Clarity of requirements for participation in affiliate marketing. This helps ensure the success of the relationship between partners and Airbnb. 2 segments of the affiliate program to attract hosts and guests, allow targeted messaging. Access to promote over 4 million Airbnb properties in 191 countries. Lead pages. Lead pages products allow businesses to quickly create, optimize, and track the success of landing pages, pop-ups, lead panels, and other forms that direct leads to landing pages. Lead pages affiliate marketing offers one of the most competitive commissions in the business, up to 50%, on a proven suite of lead generation tools. Features of affiliate marketing lead pages. A recurring commission of 10 to 50% helps motivate affiliates. Tiered commissions. The more conversions an affiliate makes in a month, the higher their total monthly commission rate is. At the heart of affiliate marketing is a time-tested product that is easy to sell. Top affiliates with 20+ clients per month can offer exclusive offers and lead pages packages through their channels. ConvertKit. ConvertKit helps developers grow their business through email marketing. Their successful affiliate marketing program has helped both their own business and their partners' income. What makes this affiliate marketing use case stand out? The partner training course is delivered by a lead partner who knows exactly how to get the most out of the program. There is a recurring commission of 30% when using affiliate marketing. It allows affiliates to earn more money every time someone they referred renews their subscription. This encourages affiliates to promote the most suitable product to potential customers. Detailed qualifications provide the best chance of sales success. The call to action of the program focuses on utility, not monetary gain. Affiliate dashboard where affiliates can easily track conversions from individual affiliate links when using affiliate marketing. Unbounce. Unbounce, the landing page and pop-up software, uses affiliate marketing to focus on getting marketers to help other marketers, although anyone can sign up. Features of affiliate marketing of the company. Unbounce clearly understands who are their best partners, marketers and agencies who can recommend Unbounce to peers, small and medium business clients. 20% lifetime commission, affiliates earn more money each time their referral renews their subscription. This encourages affiliates to promote the most suitable product to potential customers. Lots of promotional and educational materials to help affiliates drive even more conversions and grow as affiliates. Flexible payment options in multiple currencies when using affiliate marketing. Customers who purchase through an affiliate link also receive special assistance, additional benefits, and an exclusive 20% discount for the first 3 months of Unbounce. BigCommerce. Affiliate marketing's BigCommerce platform approach is people-centric, competitive commissions, and a widely used product. This helps make the affiliate program attractive to affiliates. What makes this affiliate marketing example stand out? A 200% commission for partners on the first month of standard subscriptions purchased through their link. and a flat $1,500 for corporate purchases. Higher commission levels offered to leading affiliates. Reliable payment schedules make affiliates happy when using affiliate marketing. The affiliate dashboard gives affiliates a comprehensive overview of their clicks, free trials, sales, and accumulated commissions. Wix. Wix is a website design and publishing platform that makes building websites beautiful and easy. The platform uses affiliate marketing, and when Wix users sign up to promote the platform as Wix partners, the product often sells itself. What are the features of the affiliate marketing platform? $100 commission payout with the possibility of receiving bonuses for a large number of conversions. The affiliate program's terms of use are easily accessible and reviewed long before anyone joins the program. Reliable partner knowledge base with everything you need to succeed. Banner ads and partner landing pages are available in many languages and are updated regularly, so partners always have fresh promotional material. A product that promotes itself through a Wix affiliate site makes it easy for affiliates to increase conversions. We hope this information was useful for you. Subscribe to our channel not to miss our next videos.